My video guide is about getting rid of fake survey alerts that are related to the site Teafeethand.live. Teafeethand.live. This is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people forced to participate in a fake survey. The real purpose of this fake survey is to force users into sharing their personal details, such as name, surname, email address, and other information. If you see all these pop-ups by Teafeethand.live, do not trust these deceptive and fake alerts. Do not interact with them. Just leave this deceptive page. We also recommend that you carefully investigate your system with a combo cleaner antivirus that you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on the computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.